Hi there, I hope you're all doing well. Apologies for the weird voice. I have something wrong with my throat. Not sure what, but it's affecting my voice. This week though, I grabbed the Blessed Sister Fanatic Superior from the to-do pile. She was made by One Page Rules, and I'm trying a more traditional color scheme for this one. She was black and white zenithally primed, and I get started with Death Reaper for all of the armor panels. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. To start adding some variation to the armor, I grabbed Dungeon Stone Grey, just went over all of the panels that are facing upwards. Finishing off the armor for now, I used Wizard Grey just to add a bit of an edge highlight around some of the panels. With the armor now finished, I get all the work on the exposed skin done. Started off with Barbarian Brawn as the base color. Starting to highlight the skin up, I used Dwarven skin, brought up all of the raised parts of the muscles. Before finishing her skin off, I grabbed Silver Grey and just done her hair and eyes. This way, if I mess up with the eyes, I have the highlight color to hide it. Now to finish the skin off, I went for Elven skin over the tops of the muscles and the facial features that are visible. Getting started on the leather parts and the wrappings, I start off with a base coat of German Camo Black Brown. To start the highlight on the leather parts and getting the base done, I grabbed burnt umber. While the leather parts are drying, I added a base coat to the cloak and her face mask with royal cloak. Finishing off the leather parts, I added an edge highlight of Paladin flesh. I want the cloak to be more of a purple tone than the base coat is, so I grabbed the Sorcerer's cloak and started bringing up all of the raised parts of the folds and the edges. To bring up the highest parts of the folds, I went over them with Amulet purple. This goes on a bit scratchy, which is perfect as it gives the fabric some more variation. Now onto the metal parts, I used weapon bronze for most of the iconography and the blade hilt. This doesn't cover too well and ends up taking a couple of coats to get where I want it to be. The remaining metal parts all get done with shining silver, which covers far better, and thinking about it now, I probably should have done this one first and used it as a base coat for the bronze afterwards. Getting started on the washes, I used Magi purple wash over the cloak. This blends all those colors together. While it does take away some variation, it helps the blends look smoother. For the bronze and the skin, I went for Army Painter's Flesh Wash. Finishing up, I wash all of the silver and armor panels with Oblivion Black Wash. And that will be it for the Fanatic Superior. I do like this color scheme. I'm not sure if I want an entire army of these though, but she only took 45 minutes, which is a good start for an army scheme. Again, apologies for the weird voice, but the algorithm must be appeased. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, if you want to take a closer look at this mini, check out my Instagram page. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.